Okay, so for you to check your results, just open any browser and search EBSU portal. And once that opens, tap on the first link, which is this portal.ebsu.ng, and it will bring you to the screen. Enter your login details and login. Then select your session, that session you want to read the result for, and tap on that submit. Wait few minutes or seconds for it to open. Then once that has downloading, then you can go to the left side and then go to results and tap on that student sessional results. Then you select the session again, confirm your matric number. If any issue, you have to go to admin block to sort it out, or you can chat us up for more details. Now tap on that submit and wait. Sometimes it take like a minute or so for the stuff to come out. Just wait and then it will load up your results, and there you have it. You can go ahead and print or screenshot it. Thank you.